Hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that I found at H Mart. This is the Han Kitchen. This is their Budae chicken Ramyun. I found it at H Mart in Linwood, Washington on 184th Street. And what's weird about it is the only thing I can find about this brand is it's imported by an Australian company. So I don't know. I'll have to talk to my contact in Australia to find out if she knows anything about what's going on. But anyways, you throw everything in 550 mils of water, and you get ready to go. So Budae chicken is kind of means troop stew, army stew. It's basically you can put pork and beans, beanie weenie, salami, hot dogs, stuff like that. It's like stuff that they would have in there. Whoa. I think it's 4 minutes. Let me look for sure. It is 4.5 minutes. Oh, okay. That's easy to rectify. So how's everybody doing? It's Monday for me. I just got back from my walk. I don't know how far I went, but I went a ways. Yesterday I did my 15 miles. I haven't done 15 miles on the weekend I don't know that I have, honestly. So that's pretty cool. If I keep going at the rate I'm going, I'll hit 1 million steps this month. So Gadzooks, what excitement. Yeah. So kind of irritated. My poor wife has been dealing with horrible pain, and she got her ear pierced, and they put her on an antibiotic because it wasn't doing great. And now instead of doing the thing she needs because her ear got infected, because of the antibiotic, they won't let her get this special thing for her pain management. It's stupid. But what do you do? I just want her to feel better. Like, a lot. We'll try this one. Got that. We got that. We got that. I smell Budae chicken. 2 minutes left. But yeah, that should be yellow. Oh, what's going on? Just a lot of walking, a lot of doing. Tomorrow my top 10 Japan list comes out. I dedicated it to my wife's grandfather, Manuel Moreno, and he just died last Tuesday. So that's pretty crummy, but he was in World War II, and he lived to be 101, almost 102 years old. Guy's seen a lot. 18 years old in 1938. Man. 17 in 38. 18 in 1939. I think. That sounds right. I don't know. That sounds crazy to me. All the technology and how people have changed and all that. It just constantly boggles my mind. But today we're doing Ramyun. I had some little impish thing mess with me saying that, oh, you gotta put, I did a review a while back for a cup version of the Bulldog Carbo, And she's like, oh, you gotta slap some American cheese on it. All about American cheese in Ramyun. She refused, because that, it's carbonara. It's not what I would consider to be Ramyun. The old noodles from Korea are Ramyun. It's like, maybe not when they're supposed to be emulating an Italian dish. What's the next thing you're gonna tell me that bulldog tastes like chicken? Because it doesn't. It tastes like the sauce you put on chicken. This, however, is Ramyun. You've got a broth. You got, ooh, it smells like hot dogs. I like it when it smells like hot dogs. This will get a pat of cheese. There is our noodle. Mmm. Excellent chew. There's our broth. Oh, that's good. That one is spectacular, folks. Absolutely. It's got that flavor that it's had things like sausages and hot dogs floating around in it. But it hasn't, so we'll have to do something about that. So first off, we make little Miss Farty Party. She kind of like, I can't believe I have to educate the ramen reader on blah, 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 blah. It's like, yeah. Don't worry, if you look it up, you won't find it. She got canned. It was really, really rude. Processed American cheese. And where are we gonna put you? I'm gonna put a nice happy egg on here. This thing's probably just gonna be like, oh yeah, that's so gooey. Gooby, goopy, goo, goo, goo. Ga, gooey. Bwam, bwam. Oh my god. Yeah, I made these this morning and I didn't cook them as long as I usually do, and they are like so sloppy, and it's kind of dicey if they'll actually stay together in any way, shape, or form. But 2 out of 4 did, so I'm keen on that. And I've got a slice of my weird homemade chashu that didn't exactly, it chewed, but it didn't chosh enough. That's what you call it when you chew it, but you don't chosh it. I don't know. I'm being weird now, folks. Good enough. And I believe we have a little bit of celery, or no, salami. We do. Sweet. My daughter loves salami. She's like, Papa, can we get some salami? We're gonna get some salami, right? I'm like, I guess we can. If you want to hang out at the meat counter. Oh, yeah. She's a funny little 6-year-old. The best one ever. That's good salami. Mm. Little green lovin'. What was I gonna do? Crushed red pepper. And maybe just a pinch of seeds. Not a crap load, but a pinch. And here is what you got. That's what you get. If you were here, I'd let you eat this in a heartbeat after I took pictures. Big time. Big time. Be all yours. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we got is from Sichuan Yumai. This comes from China, and this is their night market chow mein grilled squid flavor. And the prep for this seems a little more involved, but not really all that bad. So we will do this next. And this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it helps me out. Have a good one, and bye.